can always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Supreme North Face collaboration part 2. I'm not going to lie, this is a little bit of a letdown, but it doesn't look that bad for whoever does like something like this. I'm going to go ahead and cover that. We also do have a really sick item releasing this week that I do want to go ahead and cover, but if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So this video is going to be on the shorter side because I'm gonna try to pump this one out ASAP. I'm gonna try to cover the full drop list tomorrow, so I'm gonna probably do a shorter video today. So the main item for me this week is the Mortal Kombat arcade machine, bro. This is the item that I've been waiting for the whole season. Unfortunately, I don't know how my pockets are looking this week for this item, but it's a banger, bro. I really do want to go ahead and get this. If retail's anywhere from 500 to 600, I might see what I could do, but if it's anywhere over that, honestly, it might be a pass for me. Unfortunately, it's just gonna be one of those items that I look back in the future and I'm like, yo, I need to buy that. Hopefully this is gonna retail for a little bit lower. Regardless, this item is beautiful. I do like the fact that this is a big ass item and it's not gonna be as expensive as something like the pinball machine. This arcade is like the ones that you can find at Best Buy, Walmart, something like that. These are fire and it would be so clean to just have it right here. Bro, I would love this machine, and I do love the fact that it has the big BOGO on the top. It has the Mortal Kombat branding going on the front of it. It has the Supreme Box logo on it as well. It's just sick overall, and this is an iconic ass game, so the fact that they chose this is just impeccable. This definitely has to be one of the best Supreme accessories in these past years, at least for me, because it is affordable. It's not like the dirt bike, obviously, where it's an item that is way too expensive to even be able to get it. This is an item that is accessible to people, and it's just dope, bro. Like, it's really sick, and if I do get the chance to buy this at retail, I definitely would. Resell for this is gonna be there hands down. This is without a doubt gonna go for double, maybe triple the retail price. Honestly, I do wish I was able to get it, but it's looking a little bit steep for me. The branding is on point. The fact that it has Mortal Kombat 1, 2, and 3, I believe, is fire as well. It got the little joysticks. It's just beautiful, bro. But I don't want to go ahead and bore you with this, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the next item, which is the TNF Faux Fur Nupsy jacket. This one is literally like you're wearing a panda on you. Like, it's super furry. I don't know how I feel about this one, if I'm being honest. Retail for this is gonna be through the roof, probably like $700-800 minimum, and that's steep, bro. Like, I'm not looking to spend that much on a jacket like this. I honestly do like the S logo collab a little bit more than this, and I do feel like they did drop the ball. I thought it was gonna be like a fur design on a regular material, not like a furry Nupsy faux fur vibe, bro. Like, it's just not my cup of tea. I feel like a lot of people do like the faux fur shit, and they haven't done something like this, so it might be a good thing for those people, but for the mass population, I just can't see this doing too well, bro. I just can't see it. I don't know. This collab is gonna come in 3 different colorways. We got the red, the grass green. Literally, you will look like the patch of grass in my backyard, or the black color. In my opinion, the black one or the red are probably the better ones, because I don't want to look like a mowed lawn in these streets. Definitely don't think Resell will be there for that item. We also do have the Faux Fur Backpack. This does remind me of like that leopard print book bag that they did that was also fuzzy back in the day. That was like 2017. Those ended up doing really good in the market, but I don't know how this will do. Honestly, I feel like this is a sleeper collaboration. I'm not gonna go for any of it. The Faux Fur Backpack kind of looks better than the actual jacket in itself, because it's an item that you could low-key take off, just throw it somewhere. It's cool, but the jacket, bro, like, imagine this whole shit being faux fur, bro. I will look like a polar bear. Like, I'm good. A polar bear, I'm good on that piece. We also do have the backpacks coming out in the same 3 colorways, that red, the green, and the black. The black is definitely the best one out of these 3. Resell might be there. I personally think it won't, but hey, to each his own. Maybe in the future the black one will go for like 100 over retail, but that's the best that I can honestly see these going. The last item from the actual collection would be the Faux Fur Waist Bag. This is like this lunchbox shape almost. It's not that bad, but once again, it's something that I personally wouldn't wear, and I I can't see this going for too much over retail. In all honesty, if I was to go for any of these colors, it would definitely be that black one. It just looks a little bit more subtle. It almost looks like the slippers that thotties be wearing, where it's like super fuzzy. It got hella hair on it. I don't think this will do good. In my unpopular, unbiased opinion, I just feel like this will sit. It might go under retail, but then again, it is TNF Supreme, so it might sell out quick. I don't know. I'm just letting you guys know from a point of view of somebody that's been doing this whole Supreme thing for years. I don't think that one will do good. I might be wrong. Hey, blast me in the comments if you have to, but that's all that we have for Supreme so far. I'm gonna talk about a couple sneakers that are gonna be releasing, and then we'll get straight up out the building. So we got these Nupsy Air Force Ones that I spoke about a little while ago. These are gonna come out in like this beige natural color and also in a black color. I do only have pictures of the beige one. I'm gonna try to get both for you guys, but I do like the black one a little bit more. I don't think these look like Air Force. I don't think these look like black Air Force activity enough. They got the canvas going on. These almost remind me of the Travis Scott Air Forces. That's kind of why I like them a lot. These are fire. I do like either one of the colorways. I feel like the details are there, but it's nothing too much to the point where you don't want to wear it. You know what I mean? But those are gonna come out in both colorways. I feel like both might do good in resale, but the black one definitely will do better. That's just my opinion. I do like both though. You definitely can't go wrong. These are supposed to release in December, so make sure you mark your calendars and hey, go ahead and check those out. We also do have these off-white dunks in like almost this silverish color. It's the same design that we got before, but just in like this metallic type silver. It also has white, and then we got like that draw cord that's orange going all across the sneaker. I definitely do like this one, but I don't know if this is the better colorway out of all the other 3 dunk colorways that he's done. Personally, I like the red ones and I like the green ones before these. I kind of do like these more than the Michigans though, but that's another topic. These are supposed to release in spring 2021, so hey, if you like these, make sure you're on the lookout next year. Hey, I'm just saying, these are far away, but the way that time is passing, it's kind of around the corner at the same time. It's weird, dude. The fact that 2020 is literally almost done is kind of crazy. I feel like this year was almost a blur. It just like went by so fast. They're already talking about sneakers for next year, so I got 2 more things to talk about. One being that there's gonna be another Supreme Air Force in 2021. This is like a wax, like Timberland boot type colorway. This is the flax color, if I'm not mistaken, with that little Supreme box logo in the corner. This is a mock-up, so we can't even base this off the real sneaker that's gonna be coming out. Regardless, I honestly think that this is a sleeper. I wouldn't even really go for it. It's alright. If I could get it for retail whenever it does release, I would, but it's nothing that I'm too pressed for, to be honest, so I probably would just let that stay right there. So the last sneaker that I'm gonna talk about in this video are these like rip-off undefeated friends and family, or Travis Scott friends and family Jordan 4s. Honestly, I would never be able to buy that sneaker. Hey, who am I to say? But those do go for $25,000. So I don't know if I'd ever be able to afford them. And if I am able to afford them, which I most likely will in the future, I don't know if I'd be spending $25,000 on a pair of sneakers. So this right here is amazing, bro. I love this color. It's like a washed out brown toupee, like taupe color. And I do love it. It's like almost like an oily finish to it. These do look like some bangers, and I feel like whenever these do release, people are gonna sleep on them. This is almost like the winterized Jordan 4s they did that look like the poor man Eminem 4s for the Travis Scotts this time. Definitely am gonna be going for these. They're supposed to release spring 2021, and the way that it's looking so far, 2021 is gonna be packed with fire sneaker releases. Low-key, that does it for this video. This is gonna be a shorter one, but once again, I'm gonna cover the full drop list tomorrow, so I don't want to really extend this video too long. Besides, I don't want to be editing until midnight, so hey, I just tried to cram a lot of info into this short video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, man. Slap a like if you did. That's the only way that YouTube knows and I know that you guys are enjoying the videos. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel